Yeah, sorry for late reply. TRANQ. Yeah, well, I've never heard of it. But, on first look on this, you have to kind of think that there's a potential. Is this? Yeah, okay. There's a potential head and shoulders pattern. You know, it's not fantastic, but there definitely is that descending support resistance, I should say. It's tough to really say when there's not much data. Um, I don't really have any other charts here. Earlier, you can see that there's only a daily chart here and everything else. So you don't really have much to work with. And I would usually, think it's risky on these. But again, we all know that these can moon, right? That you need to be prepared, obviously, to lose what you put into it or whatever. I mean, maybe I'm being a little bit harsh on this, because the data here and the price action, the candles are actually not bad. They're pretty well formed. Seems to be some volume. So the only way to try and do it is maybe to try and get on that trend. Just try and get in. There is, you don't want to see this broke down wherever we really want to draw that. You don't really want to see that broken down. You'd want to see this break up. So maybe trade a new daily candle. It's red today, so there's no real need to be knife catching that in case it does drop, a bit more tomorrow. But if it does flip green, you could try and get on that trend and see if you're going to get a breakout. Might be good to watch sushi as well. If sushi starts pushing up, maybe this could continue, because overall this is more of a consolidation pattern, really. It's not a bad downtrend or anything, and a lot of these coins, when new, like to go into big pumps. So if this does break out from here, it could rally. It definitely could rally. But I wouldn't want to see this bottom trend line breaking. Really, it's tough to call targets, except for when you come back into this level right here. You get through that double top, and there is nothing then to stop this running. Oh, wrong one. There's nothing up here. So if we do break this, there is a chance that this actually could make a big run for it. It's also probably good if Bitcoin holds up as well, and sushi as well. Both of them, best if both of them hold up. So I would keep an eye on both of those charts as well, and see if this can break out.